How to delete all Google search history. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Google and then from your top right corner, go to the menu bar. After that, go to search history. Now you will land in the interface where all your search history will appear. Now, in order to delete it, simply drag down this delete button and then if you want to delete all the Google search history, simply select delete all time and then select next, confirm deletion and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.